Supercarbon by Christopher Chow, B. Alcohol. An alcohol is a class of organic compounds that contain one or more hydroxyl groups bound to carbon atoms. The simplest alcohols have the formula ROH, where R is an alkyl group. The history of alcohol. It was first produced for alcoholic drinks in the Middle East millennia ago. Ethyl alcohol was the first produced for drinks. It was first produced by having yeast digest sugars that are in water. The process of distillation was discovered, and people were able to make pure alcohol. In 1926, a group developed the first way to industrialize alcohol production, and developmental techniques still improve today. Process of creating alcohol. Alcohol is produced by a process called fermentation. It is when yeast digest sugars and secrete alcohol and CO2 as byproducts. The word equation is sugar plus yeast yield alcohol plus CO2. Types of alcohol. There are many types, but some examples are methanol, ethanol, and propanol. Their formulas are shown. Physical properties. Alcohol is soluble in water, colorless, and it's polar. Chemical properties are that it's highly flammable, and it can react with carboxylic acid to form esters. The following 3 slides show the nomenclature rules for naming alcohol. Five more types of alcohol are butyl alcohol, hexyl alcohol, heptyl alcohol, octyl alcohol, and ethylene glycol. Uses for alcohol. Alcohol is used in sweeteners, perfume, alcoholic drinks, fuels, and toiletries. However, there are many more applications. This diagram shows methyl alcohol. Summary of supercarbon. Alkyl halides, a compound with the type formula Rx, where R is an alkyl group and X is a halogen. Ether, one of a class of compounds in which 2 organic groups are attached directly to an oxygen atom having the general formula ROR. Aldehydes, any of a class of organic compounds containing the group -CHO, which yields acids when oxidized and alcohols when reduced. Ketones, any of a class of organic compounds containing a carbonyl group, CO, attached to 2 alkyl groups. Carboxylic acids, any organic acid containing 1 or more carboxyl groups. Esters, a compound produced by the reaction between an acid and an alcohol with the elimination of a molecule of water as ethyl acetate or dimethyl sulfate. Imines, any of a class of compounds derived from an ammonia by replacement of 1 or more hydrogen atoms with organic groups. Amides, an organic compound obtained by replacing the negative OH group in acids by the negative NH2 group. Polymers, a compound formed from 2 or more polymeric compounds. 5 reasons why so many organic compounds are discovered and named each year. 1. Carbon atoms can make multiple bonds. 2. There are 10 main types of molecule that a carbon can be classified as. Carbons can form long chains and structures. 4. Scientists are still studying nature and organic compounds. 5. Organic compounds are made of building blocks with infinite combinations. Thank you.